It's raining, it's pouring, oh man, it's snowing. Yeah, that loud noise you can hear in the background is thunder. And there'll probably be lightning shortly. You know, are you being special, Ryan?
Oh.
You know, I thought we showed you enough of nice sunny Toronto. We've now got very wet.
You ready for it?
Nothing happened.
It will.
It is torrential.
But it's still warm.
But it's still warm. And look at all the water down there. Oh, love them. We've got a bit of a swimming pool going on down there, look.
We have an outdoor swimming pool.
Yeah, right even trying. Lots of people down there getting wet.
This is the first day it's properly raining like this.
Oh no, there was that time we went out in it.
Yeah, but it wasn't this heavy.
Yeah, this is probably the heaviest we've seen. Going where? Oh, back in the bed.
And forecast rain.
Really?
Rain with
Bloody
a spot
good,
of
isn't you?
sunshine.
Where's the sunshine?
Right in front of the camera.
Yeah. Okay.
I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby.
Right, you're traumatising people. There's 4 people out on boats.
We're living it. Living it.
Thomas stuck in it.
I'm on the beach on there. On the balcony in there. It's raining in there.
I wanted it to be a big flash like a minute ago.
We're getting wet in there. Thomas cooking there.
Thomas cooking it.
I'm Jamie. What's your name?
Me, I'll be Louise.
Yeah, you're Louise. Okay, I can do the walk thing from the beach. I'm loving it. It's raining.
Raining it.
Run!
Run, people, run!
Run! Raining! Did you know? Guys, got shorts on. Oh, where they going? Where they going?
Oh, we're going to try and get the street car.
Run, run, run! It's getting wet.
And Percy.
This is fun. He's running, he's running. New person running.
There's another one.
Ooh!
You tell we're tourists, we're not used to thunder and lightning. Open top post, methinks not.
Yeah, no, not today.
Oh, I've got the camera all wet.
Look at that, it's soaking.
I don't think it's going to flash.
Watch it, the minute we turn it off, it'll go.
Oh no, it's
right
a blooming flash, no.
You'll hit the power kind of thing.
And to be honest, it's so misty, we barely see the water.
Really,
Toronto Islands are gone. They're supposed to be there.
the flag is being defeated.
Flag's like, no.
Thank you, Val. No. Not today.
No.
No.
Go down there, getting wet.
They're quite evil with this, you know, laughing at people getting wet.
But we're safe and dry. Run, people, run. probably go back inside. And just for the record, today is the day that it's actually sunny in Wales for the first time in months.
It was sunny here earlier.
It wasn't, it's been cloudy all day. It just wasn't this bad. Well, there was a mini flash, I don't know if you saw it.
You gotta do your Louise Redknapp thing now.
I don't know, no, I don't have a Louise Redknapp.
It's too Redknapp.
You got the camera.
What are you running away for? Because I got the camera.
I'm not doing it, hello.
Go and do it. Just go loving
No.
it. I'm loving it. Say it. Go on. Say it.
No.
Oh, you got a little shy.
Not shy, just not doing it. I just refuse to be called Louise.
Come on, Louise.
No.
Come on.
You made the wonky. That's going to show sideways on the video. Oh, you missed a flash.
There was a flash.
See, when round
People down there. And the right idea. Oh. Poor guy. Run. Oh, he just give up. He's wet. Yep, it's raining, mate. That's his head.
How did you get in there?
Run. I think he's a security guard. I'm gonna lose him. I've lost him. I think he drowned. Oh, actually, he might come up in a second. Come on, mate. Make it. Make it. Come on, mate.
He's got to say the opposite.
Oh, it's there might be a door that side. Damn it. But yeah, it's raining.
Look at the whole thing. Keep back of it.
Yeah. Pouring off. CN Tower's over there. I can't poke it out.
Don't get the camera wet.
Yeah, it's out there somewhere. Bye.